Finally. I thought today would never end. Got us some snacks for movie night. Emma, you look a bit off. What happened?
I've been fighting a losing battle with the toilet for the last hour.
The toilet? What's wrong?
It's completely clogged. First I tried flushing it a few times, thinking maybe it was just a random thing, but nope. Then I did some research. Hot water, dish soap, even the trusty plunger, and still nothing.
Doing your usual DIY investigations, huh? You're getting pretty handy.
Yeah, except this time the toilet doesn't care how handy I am. Nothing's working.
Alright, did you try calling Steve? You know, the caretaker. He's fixed it before.
Yup, I called him after the plunger failed me. He came up, gave it a shot, but no luck. Said something about it probably being deeper in the pipes and suggested calling a plumber.
On a Friday night? That's going to be fun. Did he say anything else?
Yeah, he reminded me that the building doesn't have emergency plumbing services over the weekend. So no help until Monday.
Of course. Always happens when you least want it.
Exactly. The one time we could actually use a quiet weekend, we have a toilet crisis.
Adult life. So glamorous.
Right? Anyway, I was thinking, since it's just us, maybe we could survive using the basement laundry room toilet for a couple of days. It's not ideal, but at least we won't have to improvise.
The one in the laundry room? That thing's ancient. It probably hasn't been cleaned in weeks.
I know, but it's that or going to a cafe. Every time we need to use the bathroom. Or, borrowing the neighbors.
Nah, I don't think they'd appreciate that. Alright, laundry room it is. I'll bring down some cleaning supplies and give it a quick scrub.
I already grabbed a few things. Trust me, I'm prepared. I even thought about getting a portable toilet, but I figured that might be a little too extreme.
Now that's an image. Us, setting up a makeshift camping situation in our living room. Might as well roast marshmallows too.
I mean, if things get desperate, we could make a whole weekend out of it. Camping indoors. Who needs the outdoors?
Who knew a clogged toilet could lead to a weekend adventure? Okay, let's call the plumber first thing Monday. Until then we'll survive with basement trips.
At least we've got snacks.
True, could be worse. We could have run out of snacks.
Now that would have been a real crisis.
Well, as long as we're having fun, we'll get through it. Who knows? Maybe the plumber will tell us we've been doing something wrong this whole time.
Maybe. Or maybe we're just cursed with bad plumbing.
Let's hope it's neither. Come on, let's figure out dinner. I'll handle the basement toilet after that.
Deal. I'll even help you clean it. We're in this together, right?
Absolutely. Partners in bathroom disasters.